Okay, here we go. Day 26, $500 challenge. No, I didn't trade yesterday. Had some other commitments. So, but back in the saddle today. See what we can do. I'd love to hit that $2,000 mark today. We're at just over 1,800. In 25 trading days, we've gone from $500 to 1,818, I think is what it is. Looking for that 2,000. See where we can go. So let's mark out our charts. And up and down overnight, it looks like, but I do feel like we're getting a little toppy and the market needs to cool off a little bit, but I don't know, it's been really strong. Too bad we missed yesterday because I do think I could have cut a really good trade, but sometimes can't be here every day. Most days, but not every day. Some interesting confluences. Yesterday's regular session high and the overnight high are right about together. I guess you could say overnight high is up here in the Asia session high. I think I'll call it that. I'll start calling it Asia session high as the overnight high, and then the Asia low is quite confluent with yesterday's close, so that's interesting. Bitcoin's pumped overnight, what, 2,000? Back at getting close to that 80,000 level, which I think is a key level of support and resistance. If we can break through that, we'll move higher. Tesla up a little bit this morning. So looking for a major breakout in Tesla. So I'm with everything that's going on and people waking up to the fact that it's not a car company, it's an AI company. I'm looking for all-time highs within the next 2 to 3 months. We'll see where that goes. All right. Let's go check the news. Been having trouble with the stream going down after about an hour. So we'll see if we can figure that out. Okay, today's news, Friday. Let's make it a good Friday. Not nothing, basically. Um, yeah. We got PMI, I guess, coming out at 8, so we can watch that. I don't think it's going to do much. No restrictions in my prop accounts for that, so we'll probably trade through it if we're in a trade. Let's see what our friends Grizzly and Jay Dunn are doing. Hmm.
Focus on today and what you can do today to better yourself and win. Let's get it, everybody. It's money time.
Market's open. I'm going to try something today.
It's money time. It's money time.
We'll see. I shut down my Discord because I don't need it to listen. Yeah.
P&L today is going up. You're damn right.
Let's do this, everyone. Try to end this week strong.
Yep. You got anything off the open you're watching?
No, not really.
I wish we weren't breaking this pre-market high so early. I look for a close and a pullback.
One good trade, and to erase this week from my memory.
Yeah, on to the next one, baby.
Yeah, on to the next one.
On to the next one. On to the next one. That's all you can do.
Sipping some Folgers this morning.
Are you?
Yep.
Jeez Louise, look at that move.
Going to be a massive range again, making it difficult.
That's it. I'm ripping Tesla calls today, Grizzly.
Are you?
I'm throwing it back to 2024.
NVIDIA looked like it wanted to pump this morning, so I haven't looked at it since market opened a few minutes ago, but I bet.
We need Grismart back in action.
We do.
We need Grismart back in action, man. Yep, no Gene today. Gene is out in Maryland with Brandon. Brandon and Gene are both out in Maryland. Gene is eating some Maryland crab. I freaking love seafood. That's the only thing I really would love about being closer to the East Coast.
There's some good spots in Maryland, but could not pay me enough money to live in Baltimore.
You're in DC. I'll go to the tax man and ask him why they keep taking all our money and spending it on stupid stuff. Send a message for me. Charleston. Heard good things about that place. Where's everyone checking in from today? Where y'all trading with me from on this
Tennessee.
Tennessee. Yeah, everyone's in Tennessee.
All right, let me know if you take.
I will. Louisiana, Orlando, Tennessee, Miami. I hate Miami. I'm sorry. I can spend 3 days there. Maybe there's a part of Miami I'd never seen. New York, Tampa, Minnesota, Palm Desert, Seattle, Phoenix, SoCal. SoCal, very pretty. North Carolina, Dubai, Chi-Town, Vegas today. My basement. Is your name Brendan? Arkansas. I didn't know people lived there. 2 Arkansas. Damn, there's 2 people in Arkansas now. Their population increased by 1. Omaha, Nebraska. Let's go. Home of the College World Series. I too am from Nebraska originally, so. We also invented Kool-Aid in Nebraska. Fun fact. Saints, if you've ever been sipping on some Kool-Aid, now you know who to thank. Nebraska. And we host the College World Series every year. Ohio, Toronto. I played in the College World Series in 1988. That's awesome. College baseball. It's awesome.
Stuck my trade copier, so I got to reset it up.
You can thank me for the Kool-Aid, I guess. I'll take the credit. What the heck is this first candle? Sweet. These markets are effed. Why? I've actually liked the market lately.
Big. Maybe not that big. Is it? Well, no, it is. 100-point candle right there. So
I'm officially a Spurs fan. I'm going to buy a Wemby jersey.
here's something interesting. Let's look at Fibonacci retracement from this low. Whoops. This low to this high. 50% would be in confluence with our 9-period EMA. So I'll watch for that. High risk trade, I'll probably only take it in my evals if it does that. I'll watch for this. And that's what I'm looking at. Put it over here. It probably won't be in this candle. But the next candle, if this finished high, this next candle is going to be all the way up here at the overnight high. So that would be interesting as well. But look at that thing go.
Oh, okay, guys. Let's wait and see what we get. Are we at all-time highs right now? Yep. We're literally shooting at all-time highs. Interesting. That'll make for an interesting trading day. So here's the deal, guys. Whenever we are having big moves into all-time highs, like let's say that right now we wanted to watch for a pullback for longs. If we, hypothetically speaking, got that pullback for longs, I'm going to put on less risk than if we either A, weren't at all-time highs, or B, if we were to look for shorts. Because when we move back up, we're moving into all-time highs. We're moving into no man's land. We've never been up here before. Yep. Yep, Big Zo, that's right. I'm also a Lakers fan now, too. We can't let LeBron be the first ever to have someone come back from 3-0. Can't let that happen to Braun, bro. Can't let it happen. You trading the hacked gold Lucid account? Right, I should be. All right. No movement that intrigues me quite yet. Just waiting and staying patient.
Still in confluence here, that 50% retracement. It'll be high risk, so what I would probably do is enter about here at the 9 EMA and then add, very, very light, probably 1 micro. And this is in the evals, maybe 2. Another reason.
That Knicks and Hawks game was crazy.
So we'll be watching this. Now let's move this up.
It was bananas. I need to delete this from
entry.
There's not an actual trade we're watching for.
So we'll go ahead and do this in our eval accounts. We'll enter it at 685.
I'm not sure what I'm going to look for today. It's going to require some more patience being up here at all-time highs, for sure. For sure takes more
So
patience,
approximately where I'd enter.
which is fine. You guys all know
Let's see.
DOD.
Our 15-minute candle's coming up, so
You guys all know what it takes. You guys come in every day and learn.
Jay Dunn's really good about that, and that's why I listen to him. Constant reminder, don't be chasing, don't be trading PNL, don't be trading boredom, don't be trading, revenge, whatever. Trade your system. It works.
You guys all come in here every day to learn, build your confidence, and choose DOD. So let's get it. Let's make it happen today. Oh, come on. We're at all-time highs. So there is my least profitable type of days are days where we just slowly grind up. I'm not the type of guy to sit there and force trades. I don't care if I trade or not. It doesn't do anyone any good to take more trades. Quality trades will do you very good, but more trades will not.
15-minute candles in, guys. Let's mark it out.
Still when I open those stupid Lucid accounts, it goes right to MGC. That is so foul. Right to MGC. Just let's remind you. Salt to the wound. Thanks. Thanks, Lucid.
What are we thinking, Jada?
Nothing right now for me. What do you see anything you like?
I mean, either point of control or the 680 area, but
I'm looking at 685. So
I could see point of control. I just don't like how we didn't have a lot of volume on that second candle.
and we almost touched the 800, 27,800.
Yep.
Is Asia high? Yeah, Asia high is at 20. Let me put that on the chart here. Maybe like a 674, 680 bounce. Well, then we have pre-market right below, but we have Asia high and the midline on the fair value gap at 680, 674.
Whereas Asia high is like 670.
674, yeah.
Yeah. That actually doesn't look half bad. It's right below that 50% to 0.618% retracement too.
You like the Asia high area?
Yeah, if I had to pick an area, just kind of a lot of risk.
We literally your stop would have to be below pre-market low. Or pre-market high rather.
Yeah. Like 640.
This is a tight range pre-market. Well, maybe not two. Let me see. Well, 638 to 536.
Let's see if we can get a pullback. I'll watch that Asia high too. I'm like 680, 670 area. We have view up at 650. Today's just going to take a little more patience. Just a tad bit more patience required, but
that's
I think
where
it
I
can do
see
good
VWAP.
for us. think he can do great for us.
Mining volume, of course, it's opening 3 bars, so we shall watch.
I'm pretty pumped to get my horse. I'll name him Boots. My horse and name him Boots.
I have another account here. Okay.
What happened? Yeah, you can name your kid Jaden McDaniels. That's foul, bro. It's too soon, man. It's too soon. The wound is still open. No, my horse's name will be Boots. Mr. Boots. And I'll go ride Boots after every nice trading day. Every 100-point trade, I'm going out to celebrate by riding Boots.
Oh, you have to name it Ed. The horse.
Ed?
Ed.
Why Ed? Who's Ed? You have a horse named Ed?
Does anybody remember Ed? Anybody? It's me. Yeah, the talking horse.
Famous Mr. Ed.
I'm pretty sure they abused that horse, though. Wasn't there a whole thing over that? Is this mistreated? Which is horrible. Horse is a horse, of course. That's right. That's what he said.
Well, Grizzly, we didn't touch point of control or that, or even remotely close to our Asia High.
And that continuation candle was ugly.
Yeah, it's not great. Yeah, being up here at all-time highs on a Friday, it's gonna take some patience today for sure.
Yeah, let's look again.
PMI, or we had PMI, excuse me. And we have ISM manufacturing. Damn, Grizzly. Oh, what did you say?
I was gonna say, are you leaving this weekend or
not? On Tuesday, bro.
Okay.
Dude, Grizzly, a week from today, we're getting older, man.
I know.
This is actually not a joke. Grizzly and I have the same birthday, if you didn't know. May 8th.
35, and you'll be 30.
Next week, Grizzly turns 44, and I turn 22. I'm excited for my 22nd birthday. Grizzly turns 44.
No joke, turning 35.
What you doing for your 44th?
I might go hiking on my birthday. I don't know. I thought about going camping or hiking. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I was 21 right now. Yeah, I turned 22 in a week. Yeah, you're going to go hiking or something for 34th?
35th. Yeah.
35th. You know, on the real, I turned 30 in a week. You got 5 years on me, buddy.
Right.
I'm going to enjoy my last week of my 20s.
Respect your elders.
Yeah, crazy.
Oh, just hope I can keep the gray off for another decade.
Oh my gosh. I turned 30. Steph Curry's number is 30. I have to be his number for a whole year. All right. I pledge a year of my life. I will be turning 31 next Friday.
You're 30, right?
I turned 31 next Friday. I've been 30 for a while now. I'll be 31. Actually, I'm just make me 31 now, bro. 30, which means I got to be overrated for a whole year. Damn.
I'm gonna do
That's
eval entry here.
I don't get to be top 25 for a
Looking
whole
for a move
year.
down to
That's crazy.
here.
Order submitted.
Foul. Well,
Order
that's all right. I'll
filled.
be just above average for a year. That's fine.
Sure what I did there, but
It's all right.
enter it again.
We'll take it. We'll have a chill 30s. We'll have a chill. Ooh, we might get an orb setup, Grizzly.
Yeah, that's what I was watching for here. It looks
I
good.
think.
Exactly what type of volume we want to see. The only issue we pumped up.
Oh no.
Order submitted.
Oh no. Don't do it. We have 6 seconds left. Scandal. Wow. What a horrible close on that candle. 1 minute don't look much better either.
Order submitted.
You're going to be 30 to honor McDaniel's 30-point game. That is absolutely foul. And what a horrible candle prior. What the heck? Look at that.
Okay.
No, he pumped 60 points. It's more of a scam than Christian Braun's contract. What?
These are evals, guys. So this is
All right. I think our biggest chance of finding a nice winner here is going to be hopefully a 2-bar. I'd love to see a 2-bar in this setup here. I'd like to see our second candle up here move up and then get a retracement.
Order
I'm
submitted.
rooting for the Spurs now. First off, I'm rooting for us to catch a nice winning trade today and get paid. Second off, I got some other thoughts we'll be speaking about. What a scam candle. What's ES? Let's go watch ES too. What's ES doing?
I think it was a scam candle. That's why I got back in.
What is the S&P doing? A 4-minute time frame. Whoops. Why am I on the 4? Wow. Same deal on ES. The charts look pretty similar. ES actually looks a tad. This candle looks a little bit better than the NASDAQ candle. Just a tad bit. What did the Nuggets and Jay Dunn both have in common this next week? They're both going on vacation. Y'all are just not very nice today. That is not okay. You hurt my feelings. We're both going to Cancun. Ha, ha, ha. Very funny. Very funny. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that was good. You got, honestly, I wish I could burn you back, but I have nothing. I'm defeated. I have absolutely nothing that I can come back to that with because I just don't. I'm in the dirt. I'm now an Avalanche fan. I'm an Avalanche fan only. All right. See if we can get a higher volume close here. We got a minute and 30 seconds left on this candle. I'd like to see a full body and get some rising volume here. If this happens, if we do get a higher volume close, I will watch. I will watch for a 2-bar setup, which would likely mean an entry around 820 with stops below like 790. The only issue with that is that we do have 15-minute high here, so I wouldn't mind seeing a bit of a lower pullback and extending the stop loss a bit. I mean, my strategy stays the same at all-time highs. You just trade price action. You just trade price action. We have 45 seconds left. I don't think we're going to get higher volume on this candle. I will still potentially watch it for a pullback. I won't put any significant size on, but doesn't look like it's not bad volume. It's just not rising. So I still will watch for a pullback, guys. It's not what I'd traditionally like to see from
Order
a 2-bar
filled.
setup
We're going to
because our
watch
volume isn't there.
right there.
But I think a pullback down, a retest back down doesn't look bad for the longs. That being said, I am going to use less size, exercise a bit more caution because it's not as highly likely given our less volume. But I still will watch for a pullback, guys, to like probably 820 area I'd like to see.
Order submitted.
Yep, definitely one of our least profitable days is when the market just goes up and up. That's correct. Like to see us at this point. My ideal setup would be move down, rip. ES looks decent too, and then we go to the Nasdaq. What the hell? 1 minute chart. I'd still like to see 820 area, ideally. Not a whole lot of movement on individuals either. Not a whole lot of movement on individuals either. Specifically like Tesla, just chilling. Tesla's just taking its time, relaxing. Now we wait. This is your reminder. We are 30 minutes in to choose DOD. I remind you guys of this multiple times a day. If you feel yourself itching for a revenge trade, for a boredom trade, feeling like you need to overtrade, whatever it is, tell yourself DOD. Remind yourself that you have the discipline to stay patient and to stay consistent and to trade systematically and to actually treat this like a business, not like a game. You do that consistently. You don't blow yourself up. You keep the money you make. That's when good things start to happen in your trading. It doesn't have to be complicated. It isn't easy, but it is simple. Hello, anyone applying? I just took a role with JP Morgan. I'll be working in their executive office effective yesterday. And it's been nice knowing you. If we grind up slowly,
Strong.
yeah. Joel, we might be working together. Yeah, that's nice.
Order
Nice.
filled.
That's awesome. Saw your Lambo at the Nuggets game Monday. Took a flick. Hey, we should have said what's up, bro. Small world. Treat it like a business, not a game. Yep. It's a tough practice to get into consistently, but once you get there and you treat it like a
Order
business and
submitted.
you look at it from a mathematical sense and keep your probabilities high and manage your risk, good things happen. Good things happen.
Order submitted.
I will still watch for that 8:30 to 8:20 area for longs, guys.
Order submitted.
I'm about to graduate college and I can say DOD definitely helped me throughout this time. That's awesome.
Jada, what are we thinking about this?
I'm
8:32.
I'm open to 8:30 to 8:20. I'll try it.
8:32.
Yeah, I'm just gonna trade micros up here.
I'm ripping NQ.
Really? Trading some minis?
I don't know. Maybe I haven't really trusted MNQ lately with the wicks.
Yeah, I just like when we're at all-time highs and I want to be able to trim a little better trading micros. You know, if you're trading 20 to 30 micros versus 2 to 3 MNQ, you have a little more wiggle room to trim off.
I'm gonna go light. Go light today. This week has reminded me who the boss is. Market. Market's never wrong.
Naz the Kita put on her butt kicking boots. She said, "You better listen up. I'm gonna whoop that butt."
Early birthday whooping.
Our birthday's on a Friday this year.
It is.
Order submitted.
Surprised we just ripped through that 800 as easy as we did. Just like it's gonna do the same with this 900. It wants 28,000, doesn't it? Market wants 28,000.
think it does. I'd love to see a pullback down to this fib. I'd even said we could enter earlier, but we didn't have the volume on this candle.
We pull back to 832, 833. Look for a long there.
Here's the deal, guys. We want to give
Where are you
Mr.
keeping your? Oh, sorry.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
Where are you gonna put your stop at if you get in at 830? You gonna stop out like at 813, or are you gonna stop out below the 15-minute range?
Probably put emergency below the 15-minute range. I was going to say you were saying had much more substance. You were asking about where I was going to place my systematic stop. I was about to say that I'm I'm waiting for us to put some hair on Mr. Smiley and bounce up. It's like, yeah, you keep saying what you were saying. One of us is talking about where are you going to put your systematic stop loss? And me over here. All right, guys, here's the deal. We want to go down, put some hair on Mr. Smiley, and bounce up. For those of you who don't understand trading, maybe you're new, but we'd like to see a bounce in Mr. Smiley's hairline. Put some hair on that puppy. We're going to Turkey, getting a hair transplant at 8:30 to 8:20, and then ripping it up. Flight back after. I got the crayons out for you guys who don't quite understand. Sometimes you got to get the crayons out when y'all aren't listening. So I'd like to see us come down, put some hair on Mr. Smiley, and then move on back up. That's the goal. Give Mr. Smiley a mohawk. I do think the orb high could be nice. I'm just not sure we get it. So we'll see. I want to put hair on Mr. Smiley. That's my first area. And then stop loss will be if the transplant fails and
Order submitted.
Work on his chin or something. Using my first PA. Let's lock in, J-Down. Let's go. Lock it in, baby. DOD. That's right. That is correct. Around 8:30 to 8:20. I mean, he might have a unibrow for a second, but I'd like to see us come down, put some hair on him, and move up. My worst case scenario stops would be below 790. We just touched 900 and rejected. So we'll see. I will never start trading ICT. The indicator I use maps fair value gaps, but I've used quote unquote fair value gaps forever. There's impulse candles with higher volume. Now here's how it's going to go, guys. So on the upside, when we want to see a higher low, we got to have Mr. Smiley get some hair because he's very bald right now and he's not very happy about it. But then on the downside, like when we're looking for a lower high, like let's say price looks like this, and we're looking for a lower high, we're gonna have Mrs. We'll have Mrs. Smiley, and she will be getting her hair done. So we'll want to see Price come up, give her some hair, and then she go back down, get a nice little hair job, hair done, perm, what do we call it, hair
Order
appointment
filled.
thing. That's how it's going. For now, nobody's getting hair. Right now, we're all bald. So if we could get that pullback, that would be great. Yeah, Mrs. Smiley's getting the
Our
blowout.
evals. Again, very, very risky, but I'm just trying to qualify these accounts. So
Yep, we'll see. I don't love that we're ejecting 900 again. I don't love that.
holding this position.
No signs for shorts for
Order
me either.
submitted.
If we got some super aggressive reversal candle at 900, maybe.
I'm looking at this. We've got RSI divergence here, so we shall see. We're teetering on the edge.
Order submitted.
I want to see this candle break this low of this last candle. See if we can get some continuation. It's a battle right now.
I like your hand tattoos. Thank you. Jamie, all Delta stands for is who's more aggressive. So it's a good tool to use. whether you're seeing if you have aggressive buying or aggressive selling. That number alone can't tell you what you're seeing, though. You want to compare your delta to price action when it comes to using delta to trade for order flow. All right, let's see if we can give Mr. Smiley a hair. Honestly, it's a little riskier setup, especially after rejecting multiple times at 900. I'm going to move Mr. Smiley down a little. He's going to have not much of a forehead. I think it's valid, but I'm certainly not going to go full risk on it if we get the setup. See what our 15-minute chart looks like. 15-minute chart's also slowing down a little bit too. But I will watch that 820 to 830. I will try the longs if we get down to 830 to 820, minus
Order
if we got some
filled.
crazy selling candle. Or some extremely high volume selling candle. I will more than likely try the longs on that pullback.
Order
I
filled.
think it looks like a good place to put on some risk. Give him some hair. Come on. Give our boy some hair. It's not that deep. There is a world, guys. I just want to prepare you for this. You're at all-time highs. So for me, it's a probability game. If we move down to this higher low in this area, we have good risk to keeping our stops below here. I'd like to see us move down and then continue up slowly. There is a world, though, where we meet this resistance at 900 and then continue down into that 15-minute range. And if that would happen, that's where the stop loss comes into place here. But the trend is up. We have a good high probability setup up here. I'd prefer if our 15-minute high was a bit higher, but nonetheless, I think it looks like a good spot that I'm willing to put on a little risk and see if we can catch a nice trend up. We might not get it, though. We'll see. I will have my worst case scenario stop at 790. Yep. I have to bring out the hammer. I don't know. It's not looking good. Thank you. It feels great to take a lot of stress off having income on the side like trading. Jaden has truly changed the way I trade. It means a lot, bro.
We make another high day here. There's nothing else I'm going to be watching.
Nope. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Order submitted.
I mean, do you all see anything else? I don't see anything. If we make a new high day here, it's just we're getting up there, not looking for a long. What's the ideal setup? I mean, like in this market, or just my favorite setup in general?
Order submitted.
I mean, the ideal setup for me would be a nice supply reject, very clear supply, hourly supply, if I had to be exact. I'd want to see the confirmation candle close below the zone with a nice increase in volume, a nice strong positive delta. And I want my risk defined. It has to make sense from a risk reward perspective, right? If there's too much risk on the confirmation candle, wait on the retracement. But that's what I would like to see. It'd be one of my favorite setups. Supply and demand. I'll be right back, everyone. I gotta let the cleaning lady in.
Let's go.
It'll be the do or die. I'm pretty heavy here, so if it pops back up, I'm going to stop out.
Order
But
submitted.
we'll watch.
INTC is running, huh? Stock's going crazy. The daily chart on that is nuts too. We're just straight up. About them nugs. Yeah. That was in response to her because I asked if I could invite you to my wedding since you're basically funding it. That's hilarious. Hey, honey, can I invite this J Dunn guy from the internet to our wedding? He helped me pay for it. Valid though. I'll come. I'll bring Gene as my date. Bring Senior Gene. I'll be wearing his sombrero. Or I'll bring Grizzly. Grizzly, want to go to a wedding? Getting Grizzly out of the house is like pulling freaking teeth.
It's a battle.
I officially started my search for industrial space in the Denver surrounding area. So if any of you guys are in commercial real estate and you want to sell a multiple $1 million building and support the DoD mission, probably make a fat commission on it with off-market deals. You know who to contact. I'm in the market. Nope, in Denver, Colorado, or surrounding areas. Doesn't have to be Denver. I got some big plans for 2027. The Team Bull HQ is getting an absolutely massive upgrade. Among other things, like I told you guys, I have that passion project where I want to bring in at-risk youth because I'm sure I've told some of you guys how I grew up, didn't have a dad. Dad went to prison and was shot or whatever. So I want to bring in kids that are in bad situations and give them a place to preach sobriety and faith in Jesus and learn financial literacy because they don't teach that a lot in schools, and not have it be a school, but have it be like a just something, a cool place that kids that don't have a great life at home can come and make a better life for themselves for free and be inspired at the same time. Trying to keep it tight-lipped on what I want to do. So, yep. So I'm in the process of looking. It's like partially, I'd say 70% a passion project, just something I've wanted to do for a long time. It's not about money. I won't make any money off it.
Is it going to lighten up a little bit here?
Order canceled.
It could go, but it is a spike up as well. So
Beautiful thing. It will be a tax write-off for sure, but I won't make any money off it. It's been a passion project of mine I wanted to do for a long time, and I'm finally doing it. And even just like from a financial standpoint, like they don't teach financial literacy in schools. So to put kids on early would be awesome to me. And like how I look at it is, a lot of these young cats, they see, like I've been blessed to have some nice cars. Well, when you have nice cars, a lot of the people in the online space that have nice cars are promoting drinking and doing drugs and partying. And so to have things that kids look up to, like, oh, wow, look at that Lambo. Oh, the guy with the Lambo is telling me I should choose DOD and be sober and, have faith in God and live a nice, meaningful life. Like it goes a long ways with using the attention for good and not for bad. So that's what I want to do. That's what we're going to do. Not want to do. That's what we're going to do. In the meantime, let's put some hair on Mr. Smiley. All right, come on, let's get this pull back. I'd like to see like 820 to 830. I don't love what we saw up here, so I'm willing to try this.
Order canceled.
All right, we're getting close. Or just be aware. Your stops seem to be at like 790. Worst case.
We trying it?
Come on.
Order
I'm waiting
canceled.
for like 830 to 820.
All right, I started my position here on longs, everyone. Light size, I'm in. Right where I said I would, right at the midline there. You can either keep your stop
Yep.
at, you can keep it at 813
I'll
or 790.
Trying a small piece of micros with you. Tried it on that push down, guys. I'd rather see 830 to 820, but I did try an ultra baby piece.
The risk with this trade is we could possibly retest that 15-minute range high again.
Yep. My stops are just below that. I am going to add if we get a little lower, though, for sure. Like down like 820. I'd like to see it.
Oh, keep ripping up. Just keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, I'd like to see high day out of this. But I did try it at, I didn't get a very good fill. I'm 838.
I'm going to fill at 835.
So I tried very light. I'd like to see 820 to 830, but
I
just didn't want to miss the train on this.
I think we have too much juice to the downside.
Around 820 to 830. Like this is almost area I liked. 830 to 820 is where I like for long. This is the start of giving Mr. Smiley some hair. Let's move his eyeballs and stuff over.
Order filled.
This is the area I like, guys. 830 to 820. is the area I like for the longs. Stops below this like
Close that.
790.
Go to my qualified. I'm going to enter one long here.
Come on, give him hair. Give our boy some hair.
Add
We're
about
trying.
here.
I don't love how this candle's looking so far with this full body, but I still think it's worth a try down
Order
here. I'm going to
submitted.
follow my original plan. Hopefully we don't slash Mr. Smiley in the face. That wouldn't be very nice. All right, guys. I'm going to add to my position down here. Just added to my position, guys. Stops are still the same. 790. I'm not going to add any more. I will stop at 790 if I do get stopped. Hopefully it doesn't just go and straight up stop me right away. We're slashing Mr. Smiley. We're going to his goatee.
I had it as well.
That does not look like a great 5-minute candle. So I'm going to keep my stops at 790. That's where they're at. I'm not going to add any more either. I'm not going to add any more. We'll see what we get. This candle does not look great, but if I didn't try this and we ended up moving up, I'd be bummed with myself.
Now that candle looks good for shorts.
I know.
What's the chances if we waited on that setup?
Yep. No, I'm happy that I tried this for sure. If I didn't and we end up getting this move up, I'd be very disappointed in myself.
I'm keeping my stop at 790.
Order canceled.
Me too. Doesn't look like Mr. Smiley's going to get a gash on his face. He's not going to get hair.
I didn't know what he was talking about. He's a drawing.
Yeah. You're sharing your own screen. So you probably can't see it. Yeah, this does look like a good short setup now. That's what I was worried about. This rejected 900 a few times.
Well, it's out.
Oh, stopped at 790, guys. Stopped at 790. Stopped at 790, guys. Stopped at 790.
This is
Stopped at
FOMC
790.
week, everyone.
Stopped at 790. Stopped at 790, everybody. Stopped at 790. Stopped at 790.
Where's your stop?
I stopped at 790.
I'm playing.
Oh, had to make sure people don't hear it. I'm like, I stopped. It's all right. That was a good setup. It just ripped down. I was a little worried. At the same time, though, I wouldn't have caught shorts either because it didn't have any pullback. We just slashed Mr. Smiley's face and died.
I knew better. I should have just called it a week, but whatever. Come back next week and try it again.
I like that setup. I thought that was a good setup.
I liked every setup I took this week. They just did what they wasn't supposed to do.
Yep. The only other possible scenario I see is you either get a downtrend forming or we bounce this 50% retracement for the day around this 15-minute high. Only other option today. If we're gonna stay long, it has to stay above this 760. If we are gonna move short, I'd like to see us break ideally below these levels and have a 2-bar. And it'd have to be really aggressive to be a 2-bar. Actually, we'd have to get down below this. I take back. We're not gonna get a 2-bar for a little bit. I'm still not fully convinced we're going all the way back down, but I'm open to it. I have about an hour more to trade. So if we find a setup, I'll take it.
There's our
If not,
stop.
then we'll end our Friday red. Mr. Smiley gets no hair.
I'm going to do one more here.
Yeah, this wouldn't have been a short setup either. It could have been, but there was no sort of retracement. We just closed and died. So nothing. It's all right. change this. There we go. It's all right. We kept it managed. And we move on to the next good trade. I'm pouring out my espresso. Now it's time. Thought that setup looked great. Just didn't work out.
Order
Yeah, it
submitted.
looked good to me too, man.
We'll see here how this candle reacts.
Excuse me.
I wonder if we get higher volume in a push back above this 15-minute high.
I'm calling it.
You done?
I'm not tempting fate anymore. So I'll be back next week. So we
You out of here?
Yeah, I'm not playing with this market. I've had enough. I'll be back next week. See if we can get back to the winning.
I swear, if this ends up doing a ripper, I'm gonna be so salty. I mean, there's no way I would have stayed in that trade ever. I just wouldn't have. But $750. Actually doesn't look bad for another long try. I'm not fully convinced on it yet, but you have this higher low made here at the 50% retracement at this level here. The low is 750. Longs don't look bad. We retested that 50% retracement. Let's see. I like it too. I almost wish I would have waited for this setup, but I think the longs look decent here, guys. I don't think it looks bad. Stops below 750. Just want to see a little more price action play out. Maybe the J don't think indicator is going to go off. We'll see.
Order submitted.
I'm going to test one more piece of longs, guys. I'm going to try it again. I tried it again. Let's pull back, guys. With stops below 750. In at 85. Stops at 750. So if I want to get any sort of trim off, we need to see at least move to like 820. But I'm willing to go over 2 on this. We have a higher low, potentially great volume on this. Looks great for a push up. Come on.
Order canceled.
Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, guys, I'm going to trim here, guys. 820. I'm trimming here. Come on.
As
I
well.
want more out of this. Let's get the high of mother freaking day. Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby. Push it up. Come on. All right, guys, trimmed up here at 820. I'm going to move my stops now. Now that we've trimmed up to the low of this candle. Up to 780. Let's see if we can keep pushing up, guys. Come on.
Order
I
canceled.
told y'all we were coming back with a W. Come on. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Come on. Push it up. 45 points here so far. Come on. We want high a day. Give us high a day. Come on. Stops can be set at break even. Up to you, whether it's 790, 780. Maybe you got a better fill than me. Maybe you got worse. I'm in at 785. My stops are at 780. I'd like to see us move to high a day now. My next price target on this is going to be high a day.
We want to set this to stay green here, and we want more volume.
We're at like 1.5 R right here. Or excuse me, now we're not. Now we're at like 1.2 R. This is what I'd like to see, everybody. In a perfect world, I'd like to see us go to high a day. So we'll take it. Come on. It's all right. If we get stopped out, we will be at break even. Take it slightly. Let's see. Technically, it'll be. I don't want to move my stops up anymore. We'll not move the stops, so we'll be a break even if we get stopped.
I will be slightly red.
I'd like to see high day out of this, so I'm going to keep my stops below this candle at 780. I'd like to see us move up to high day, or at least like 8. I'd be even be okay with the high of this candle, like 870, 860 to 870. 2R is even up to like 850s. Come on, baby. Sorry about that first trade, but we got the second one. Let's see if we can get a bigger one here too. I want to see a bigger winner here, guys. I want to see us keep moving up.
6-minute candle. This is the danger spot right here. 50% of this
I want to see us keep
candle.
moving on up. My risk is managed to just slightly below break even if need be. I hope that we can have this be the higher low of the day and just keep on moving up. Now that we got a dub, we're going to make this 1 for 2. Come on.
Tesla rip.
Come on, baby. We want more out of this.
Yeah, I'd love to
Come on,
see more
Nasdaq,
volume here.
Give me what you got, baby. Give me
1
big
minute
meaty.
till the 8-minute candle. Or
I want a
6-minute
big
candle.
one on Friday. Come on. Make it a big, meaty Friday. Come on. Give me a big, meaty trade.
30 seconds.
We do have this impulse candle here, so there's a chance we reject in this area. There's a chance, but I'd like to see us keep moving on up. Overall, good trade, though. We'll take it. Stops are just below break even. Yes, that's the trade that we want.
Right. It stayed above the 9 EMA, but
Where is it?
I like this.
Traditionally, it doesn't work, but you know what? We're going to try it, baby.
Let's break this and move higher.
Give me my big, meaty trade, baby. Benny the Bull says, give me my trade. Give me my trade. And give me it right now, baby. Come
I'll
on.
move my stop up a little
Stop
bit.
set just below break even. Let's let this trade ride, baby. Let's go. Benny the Bull says, let my team and I print, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Need some bull muscle up in here, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push us up. Volume push, baby. Come on. D-O-D.
Would love it.
D-O-D. D-O-D.
Catch all those
The
shorties.
visibility for bending the bull out of this mask is not great. We want a big, meaty bull trade. Come on. Come on, baby. Push us up. Come on. Let's get it.
Need to break this right here.
All right, guys. You guys understand why we took that trade, right? You guys understand why we took that, right? So you can see here that we had a retrace down to our 15-minute high and also to our 50% retracement of the day, right? So when you take your Fibonacci retracement tool and you draw from high to low, that's where we touch. So given that, we come make a higher volume candle here. Oh, please don't stop us.
Come on. Yeah,
Don't
it looked
stop me,
like just
baby.
an
Come on.
impulse down.
Don't do it.
Try to stop out.
I can't see out of this damn. I can't see out of this damn mask.
That's too bad. Maybe.
There we go. Now I can see. Where is my? I want to see higher. Come on. Don't do it. Don't you dare do it. We had this 50% retracement. We were above VWAP, above point of control. And also we closed right above this 15-minute high with higher volume on this wick up. So I wanted to see us move all the way up to high a day, but even out of this, we got like what, 1.5 R? So something. One win, one loss. No, the stops are right.
I do this because it makes me nervous to watch the price action, so I just make it so I don't watch it.
Hopefully we can hold 800 and keep moving.
Got to move up above the 50% of that 5-minute candle.
Every time I put the damn bull mask on, it just goes opposite. The bear mask works.
True.
The bull mask, not great. All right. Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Yes. This looks good. This
Come
looks
on.
good. Almost stopped us out. So, come on. Get up there.
Come on, baby.
Get up
Oh,
there.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Up.
2 minutes till the 6-minute
My next
candle.
trim spot's going to be in the 850s, guys. Nothing until 850s. I really want to see a bigger trade out of this. I want to see us move up. Like probably like 850. Come on. Push it up for us, baby. Come on. Put us nice in the green. Put us nice and green.
$98. I'm going to trim one here and take it off one of my accounts.
Put us nice and green, baby. 850s.
Oh, shoot.
Order
Hey, guess what's
filled.
back to life too, everybody? Guess what's back in the green too?
Order submitted.
Can anyone guess what's back in the green? Can anyone guess what's back in the green? The Lucid accounts that the hacker got a hold of, baby. They're back in the green. Sorry about it. Sorry about it, baby. Not the Nuggets. Oh no, they're stop loss hit, account liquidated for my Nuggets. That was just not nice. No, what wasn't nice is someone was like, "Yeah, Jadon, you're gonna see you. What do you and the Nuggets have in common? You're both going on vacation next week." Damn,
Come on.
bro.
Let's
That's
go.
messed up.
There's
Come on.
54.
Up. Up.
Come on, go touch it out and let's get an impulse move up.
Come on. Come on. Up, 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 up. No, the ultimate fraud and scam was Christian Braun's contract. That was the ultimate scam.
To hold here, hopefully. Or at least not come down any more than here. We'll see.
All right. You want to see who I'm taking
There you
my
go, break it.
bandwagon talents to? Should I go put on the jersey of who I'm putting my bandwagon talents to? I'm going to set a limit order at 850. Guys, 850 for a trim. Stops are still in place at 780. I want to see 850 for another trim. I'll show you guys who I'm taking my talents to. I'll show you guys who I'm taking my talents to. Trim is set at 850, guys. Stops at 780.
I'm nervous about that. Come on. Get up there. Here we go. My stop's up to here because I don't trust this.
All right, folks. We are. Oh my gosh, it missed it by 4 points. Are you kidding me? Come on, give us 850. Here's the deal. We got two choices. We're in this trade. We're letting it chill. Stops are set. Take profit set. We got to choose from the New York Knicks or the Los Angeles Lakers. I think the winner of the bandwagon train is going to be the one and only.
I think we're going to lose it here.
Order filled.
We go on the New York Knicks, baby. Let's go. Yeah, baby.
Wow, didn't stop us
We
out
going
there.
New
So
York Knicks to the championship for the Eastern Conference, baby. It's not going to be Boston. It's not going to be Orlando. We going with
yeah,
the
we're gonna get
Knickerbockers,
stopped out
baby.
here
Let's
for a slight loss
go.
for the day. I mean, if we don't, I'll be very
Yeah.
surprised.
Come on, baby. We got the vintage Patrick Ewing jersey. This is a 1998 Hardwood Classics Patrick Ewing jersey. If this trade hits my stop loss,
What?
here's the deal. If this trade either hits my take profit, my final take profit of 875, or hits my stop loss before I get off,
Look at that. Wow.
I'll do
And I
something
don't
that
know
I'll
how it
probably
didn't stop me
regret.
out before. I had a
You're gonna want to stay on the live
sell
for it.
stop
Some of y'all will.
and actually hit it. So fortunate today. We'll see how big it's going to pay off, but it looks pretty good. It's back up a bit above the 90 MA. We'll see, but
I'll do something that you guys will never let live down. If we get our price target of 875, or if I get stopped in the next.
we're going to get stopped here.
Oh no. Oh no. Don't do it. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Don't do it.
Order filled.
Share your lucid password again. I'll do something far worse than that.
Spin a little bit more just in case. Oh,
Oh no. Don't do it.
yep.
Hey, we're still going to be break even though. Slightly green, but break even. So we'll take it. My stops are at 780, so slightly below break even.
He's way down there.
Oh no. Oh no, don't do it. So you can have some whopping $200 and some change. Oh, 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 no, 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 what? I have bad news, guys. My humiliation ritual is here. It's came. It's here. How did that just get that? Oh, it was at 80 point. Wow. Well, I think this trade could still go, but I'm no longer in this trade.
Order
Which
submitted.
means I have to do something that I really don't want to do. The bright side, we're ending this day at 282, $200 and $282. I'm rich, basically, is what I'm telling you. I have to do something very disappointing, though. I'm not proud of it. I don't know how this happened as I was upstairs looking. How did this happen? Why do I have a Curry jersey in my closet? No! Why is there a Stephen Curry jersey in my closet, in my jersey collection? Am I coming out of the closet? Is Gay Dunn a Curry fan? How did this happen? How is this happening to me? How do I have a Stephen Curry jersey? How did this happen? Why do I have a Curry jersey? Who put this in my closet?
Tesla
No.
ripping.
No. Am I a fanboy? Am I a faker? You know what's crazy? This is a Curry. When was his rookie year? 2009. When did I get this jersey? I have so many jerseys. This is his rookie jersey. It's a hardwood classic. Stephen Curry, 2009 to 10.
Buyers are stepping
Mitchell
in
and
here,
Ness
guys.
jersey.
We'll see.
It's all right. One win, one loss. I mean, 2 losses. I just found a freaking Curry jersey in my closet. Definite 2 losses for sure. Unreal. Y'all are never going to let this down. Ever. No, we're never going to let me live this down.
Oh, this is Brett.
Ever. Let's see what happens. You know what? For Monday,
on the new
in honor of my 30th birthday, we'll wear a Curry jersey for the stream and we'll see what happens on Monday. We'll see what happens on Monday. All right? We'll wear the damn Curry jersey for the stream. And we'll see what happens. We'll probably get a pretty average P&L. What do you think? May 8th. It's my birthday, so it's next Friday. I have a grip of jerseys. I also have a what? Dude, that's my Kobe jersey. I have a bunch of Kobe jerseys. This is a Lakers 2004, 2005. I also have a signed number 8 Kobe jersey. This is pretty dope. Signed number 8 Kobe. R.I.P. the legend, man. He would have never let the Nuggets get cut in the first round ever.
Drop zone, which I hate, but let's see.
Ever.
A little bit, just in case. And I'm gonna just let it ride here, guys.
I swear, if I just have a crazy day Monday, we'll just be. I don't even know how I feel. It's all right.
Try to look at this.
One win, one loss today, guys. We'll take it. No, I'll never sell that Kobe jersey. It's sentimental to me. It was a gift from my boy who was friends with him.
If it can stay up there.
Zero wins, 2 losses today. Well, if you managed your risk, that's all that matters. Even if you didn't win. No, my boy Eric is an athlete in music management, so he just knows like everybody, bro.
We got an inside candle on the 5-minute chart, which means this could go either way. So oh yeah, I took it off, didn't I? I'll leave it. It is what it is.
Take it. 1 win, 1 loss. What's Tesla doing? Tesla moving? Oh yeah, she is moving. Damn, that would have been dirty on Tesla though. That 2-bar.
Looking good.
Red on your accounts? Sorry.
I don't look at it anymore.
Now watch us move up.
Here's the 12-minute candle coming up. 40 seconds. If we can close above the 9 EMA, I'll be happy. Because then I do think we have a legitimate shot of going to high of day. Five seconds. What I'd like to see is this maybe pull back just a little bit and then shoot higher. It was just under. It's doing opposite of what I wanted. Yeah, we've just ticked higher. This is a critical spot. If we can go all the way up and take this high out, we should pop higher significantly.
If you guys got him, Team Bull. If you guys ended up making money with me today, post your gains. I'm gonna give away some accounts to y'all and post your gains tab too. We won't have a giveaway for a while because I'm going out of town next week. So I'm feeling generous today. Post your gains. Tag me with DOD. We'll get it popping. We'll get it popping off. Let's see here. we got? For you guys, even if it's $20, $20 McMahala. Manan de Har 35. Apex 50K trade of 8 in a day. Use code Jaden. Let's go. Use code Jaden.
Be a critical spot up here at the high of this candle. See how the price reacts.
0 deep red. Well, I shouldn't be deep, Colleen. I'm sorry it's deep red. I understand small red. That's okay. That happens. Deep red, we got to fix it.
$15-minute candle. Okay, I'm moving my stop up underneath here.
Sorry that happened on accident. And now we're reclaiming. We'll take it. Ultimately ended up being from top to bottom, bottom to top, ended up being like a 1.7R trade. It went from around 780 up to 840. That's not a bad trade. 60 points. It's a good trade if you ask me. I wanted to see 100 points out of it. I want to see that high day.
Thicken.
Is this a 2-bar? I mean, technically with volume, yes, but I mean, technically, yes. I just prefer it to be stronger. Like I prefer it to be fully in the trend direction without the pullback. Technically, though, you could try the retracement. Like if you looking at this candle, they pull back to like 820, stops below like 790, like basically the same trade we wanted to see at first. I think it still could go. And I trimmed this time. I took some profits up here, so we moved the stop, but the original plan is still intact. I wonder if it ends up playing out. And the trade starts moving in the direction once I put on the Kobe jersey.
Okay, our 6-minute candle's coming. 30 seconds. See if we can. What I might expect to see if we're going to continue up is possibly a little bit of pullback, but not more than, definitely not to below the 9 EMA.
Every time I come to your live, I catch your winning trade. Thankful to you. One winner, one loser today. I like to see this go to high a day if I was still in this. I think it can.
We could
As
look
long
for,
as you come in and manage your risk every day and you learn and you build confidence in yourself, that is what matters. I don't care about your P&L today. What I care about is your ability to build confidence in your system and to execute
move
based
up.
on that system every day. That's what matters. Nothing else matters. If you
This
want
is
to become
our
a
line in
profitable
the
trader
sand
and be a part
here.
of the 5% that make it,
If
you
it were to
have to build
come down
confidence in your
and
system, and you have
break
to manage your risk.
significantly below
You have to take your big old
820,
butt kicking boot and kick your ego to the side. That's how you become profitable long term. That's it.
nice. Move my stop up. I think this one's high of day. We shall see. It's got this slow melt up type of feel to it right now.
All right, will pump now. So as I put the Curry jersey on, of course.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Yay, our 24-minute candle's coming up.
Look at that move now. This is what I wanted to see, is move up to like 870s. That previous 5-minute high on this big candle. It's all right. We'll take it. Still went red to green.
I'm going to tighten up because I don't want this to go back red. I'm trading the P&L a little bit here, but I want to have a green day on a Friday.
Learning so much. Awesome.
After being down, pretty substantially, really. Let's go back and look at our 6-minute candle. It did tick up, so we could look for a retracement here, but I'm just going to leave it. It's below the 50% of the candle, so it looks pretty good. It didn't come down below, so if it ticks up here significantly to 880, I'll move my stops up again.
Monday is our last trading day together before I go on vacation for a little bit. I'll be gone pretty much all next week and then the beginning of the week after. I'll be gone Tuesday to basically I'll be gone this coming Tuesday to the following. I'll be back on the live the following Thursday. Like the next Thursday. Going to the Caribbean, man. Going to go scuba diving and snorkeling and deep sea fishing, and I'm taking my whole family out there.
My final target on this as I trail up would be this 28,000 even.
And we're
I think the
Curry,
market
maybe.
maybe wants that today.
Leaving my Mexican brother behind. Yep, Gene will be here.
Three minutes till the 9:30 candle. If it holds here, could be good, but we'll see. This is the third time it's come down, so. And we're out. Shut for our funded.
Order filled.
You know, I'm going to take that
Gotta
slight green
pick
day.
giveaway winner from the Post Your Gains tab. With you.
Order filled.
All right, let's pick the first winner. Let's pick someone.
Isn't it interesting? The funded my tradeifys are always
Let's go ahead and pick
always
Gabriel. Gabriel said, great way to start off my birthday. Happy birthday, Gabriel. First time using Tradeify, of course, using code JDunn. Shout out my boy. Took the winning trade with JDunn and I locked myself out, following my rules and choosing DOD. Birthday boy. Happy birthday. Birthday. Send me Venmo for Apex account. Let's pick one more too. I'll pick another one from Team Bull. Let's choose random. G Puck with the win. Path to profitability with base hits. Trading smart. Trading safe. Thanks, Jay Dunn, for all the knowledge and community you've built. DOD. You got another account to your name, my boy. Winner, send Venmo for Apex account. Only $35. Congrats, my boy. Whenever you guys see, the lesson I want you to take from today, whenever you see a retracement and a strong trend, this is very important, guys, so listen. Whenever you see a retracement and a strong trend to the 50% mark, and you have a high volume candle here, such as this, for continuation in the trend, there's a very high probability you come retrace into that and keep moving. You put your stops below the low. It's like you see here, we had 15-minute high, we had 50% retracement for the day, strong uptrend. That's why we make that higher low and we keep moving up. That's what I want you to take from today. Birthday got even better. Gabriel. Boom. Paid for Gabriel. G-Puck. Let's see G-Puck. G-Puck gets paid. Boom. Two winners named Gabriel. I just realized that. Or Garrett. Garrett and Gabriel. G and G. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and mob off for the day. I'm glad we could catch a nice winner. Start with a loser and with a winner, slightly above break-even day for me. I hope you all have a great weekend. And remember that winners and successful and focused and driven men and women who accomplish great things make progress on the weekends. Average people go out and drink and do drugs and waste away their weekend. Not you. You were not meant for average. You were never meant for average. And you can't let that be the status quo for you. You can't let it be. So choose DOD. Be smart. Keep your routine. If you have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram if you need some motivation, need some discipline reminders. I'm always doing it on my IG, JDunTrades. And I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday before I go on vacation. God bless y'all. See you guys Monday. I will not be on for Power Hour today. My trading week is over. Have a blessed rest of your Friday. Choose DOD. And have a nice day. See you guys.
Thank you, Jay Dunn. Good guy. Real deal there. I'd encourage you to go pay for his Discord. So, and I'm going to be done today as well, guys. It's a good day. We were significantly red to start, and then came back. Maybe took a little bit too much risk on staying in this trade down here. But it still fit into my parameters because it didn't close below the 21 EMA, and we were able to catch this big move. Here, again, my parameters would be if it comes down and touches this 9 EMA, we could add to our position. We'll see. But looks like it might be doing a slow grind up. I'm kind of wishing I'd have stayed in, but my rule is that if it retraces half of the previous candle, then after a significant move up, then you get out. That's what I did. I actually gave it a little bit more than that, but we ended basically green for the day on a day we could have been significantly red. And as they say, the best loser in this game wins. So that was good for us today. We'll look to trade another day. In retrospect, I think probably instead of taking that 2-bar that retrace that Jay Dunn took, because when it got to here, we had our sell signal, and we knew from our Fibonacci retracement that it could retrace all the way down here. And if I had just simply waited and taken that trade, that could have been great. We would have gotten in and maybe gotten out and been significantly green, but the uptrend is still intact. So we'll just let this play out for the day and see where it goes. Have a great day, guys.